7 touchdown passes. Did he get in? Did he get in? Did he get in?
Can you imagine?
Yes. Yep.
Hit the pylon with the ball.
We're going overtime, ladies and gentlemen.
This is insane.
Insane.
People are texting their friends all over the country.
What an
Put the
incredible
TV
play.
on. You need to see what's going on at the inaugural Popeyes Bahamas Bowl.
And it looked clean. Wow.
Seven touchdown passes. That was a touchdown pass.
Titus Davis hit the pylon.
The guy right there.
They still got to successfully hit the extra point here. It's 49-48.
How about trying to win it and go for 2?
There you go. Who said overtime?
Go for 2.
Central Michigan is going to go for 2. The touchdown is good. You want to see a fantastic finish? Hey, either way. Either way.
This is incredible. I applaud him for going for 2.
This game's had everything in it.
Look at this. 2-point conversion for the win. Back corner of the end zone. No! It's knocked away. Wonderful Terry. The coverage on Jesse Kroll. And that's how this game will end. Are you kidding me? 49-48, Western Kentucky. This was a 42-14 game at halftime.
No quitting the Chippewas. What a great comeback by Daniel Squad, but at the end of it, right here fighting for the football. They're letting them both fight for the football.
Yep.
Watch the Hill Choppers.
Oh, I want to tell you. Oh, how
Hill Choppers
exciting
going
that
crazy.
is. And you know, it's only fitting that Western Kentucky won after leading the whole game. How devastating it would have been to lose that football game.
We saw 12 touchdown passes thrown. We saw a game that was 42-14 at halftime. End up with a 49-48 final score. Be sure to catch the Popeyes Bahamas Bowl trophy ceremony. Yeah, don't miss that. Presented by Capital One, coming up next on ESPN3. Next on ESPN, it's the NFL Insiders. For all of us here in Nashville, thanks for watching. Merry Christmas, everybody, indeed.